Hi, my name is Faraz Khan and I'm a CBSE French teacher. I've taught in school and college as French teacher and French faculty. I was teaching class 5 to 8th grade in school and MBA students in college level. My total work experience is more than 5 years. The subjects which I teach are English, French, and Hindi. I I'm teaching with UrbanPro as a language trainer, and the subjects which I teach on UrbanPro are French, English, Hindi, and mathematics. You know me now, and now let's kickstart with the today's presentation. Welcome to UrbanPro.com. This is a presentation in French language. Now, topics to be covered today are reasons for learning French language. The second topic is about France. Third topic is skills required for learning French language. Fourth topic is learn how to greet and introduce yourself in French and in English. Moving to the next slide. These are the reasons for learning French language. Now there are various reasons for learning French language. Now these are the most popular reasons which I've selected, and here I go. The first reason is French is the second most widely spoken foreign language after English. As we all know that English is a very important language. Now after English, second language which is widely spoken is French all over the globe. Second reason why we learn French is it's a school subject or a college subject. So all the students are willing to learn French language because they want to move their career in French. Third reason is for career prospects. Is it well explained? Fourth reason is that everybody wants to learn it for a hobby. Fifth reason for learning French language is for immigration purposes. Moving to the next slide, let's talk about France. French is the native language of France, and France is a very popular country in Europe. Now, these are the things we should know about France, and hence we will know about French language too. So let's come to the first point, which says it is known for its beautiful French language. French has a very beautiful pronunciation, and it is it has very interesting grammar also, and hence French language is appealing to most of the learners. Now, second reason why France is popular is for its monuments and places of visit. For example, the most popular monument in France is La Tour Eiffel. Okay, in English we say Eiffel Tower. And then we have Notre Dame, Montmartre, etc. Now, the third reason why France is popular is for its culture. Fourth reason why France is popular is for its wide variety of cheese and foods. As we all know that France has more than hundreds of cheese and food varieties which is popular all over the globe. Fifth reason why France is popular is for its fashion. So we can find out that most of the fashion that comes around in the world comes from the country France. So these are the things that France is popular for, and hence French is also popular due to this. Moving to the next slide. These are the four basic skills that are required for learning French language. The skills required for other languages are similar for learning French language. What are the four basic skills? The first one is reading. Reading comes into picture when we are reading newspaper, we are reading a text, or we are reading some form of information. And there can be reading while you're watching a movie. There are some notes written on the side of the movie. And then the second point is writing. Writing skill comes into picture when you're writing an email, you're writing a SMS, or you're writing letters. And writing comes even in syllabus for school or college students. So writing skill is also very important. Third important skill is listening. Now you will question me why listening is important. When we listen correctly, we will be able to reply correctly, and hence we will be able to conversate correctly in that particular language. The fourth skill is speaking. Now all these four skills are very important for learning French language. So anybody who has mastered these four skills of the foreign language will be able to say that I know French language very confidently. Next is the slide about topic of today. Topic of today is comment saluer et se présenter. That is how to greet and introduce yourself in French language. Let me start the introduction first in English and then moving to the introduction in French language. The first one is greeting someone. How do we greet someone in English language? We will be saying good morning, Mr., good morning, Miss, or good morning, Mrs., depending on the gender and the age of the person. Next point is telling your name. So like my name is Faraz, so I will be saying my name is Faraz Khan. And third point is telling where you live. So I live in Delhi in India. So I will be saying I live in India in Delhi. Fourth point is you have to tell your age. So I will be saying I'm 30 years old. And last, I will be saying thank you and you. Because I've ended the introduction and I want the other person to introduce himself or herself. So let me just start all over again. The introduction in English will be like good morning, Mr., good morning, Miss, or good morning, Mrs. My name is Faraz Khan. I live in Delhi in India. I'm 30 years old. Thank you so much, and you. Now let's begin this introduction in French language. So I will be saying bonjour monsieur or bonjour mademoiselle or bonjour madame. That is good morning Mr., good morning Miss or good morning Mrs. Je m'appelle Faraz. J'habite à Delhi en Inde. J'ai 30 ans. Merci beaucoup et vous? So let's begin the introduction all over again. Bonjour, monsieur. Je m'appelle Faraz. J'habite à Delhi en Inde. J'ai 30 ans. Merci, et vous? Here I come to the end of this presentation. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you like my profile, and if you do like my profile, you can connect to me on UrbanPro.com and you can go through my entire profile. You can see my reviews and the way I teach. You can contact me through that, and you can register classes with me for French and English as well. Thank you so much.